What's up, guys? Hey, good morning. More Medic One here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I replace the starter handle on just about 100% of all 2-cycle equipment. Now, this starter is in pretty rough shape. It's wore through right here, but I'm not going to deem this starter bad yet. We still have good. The rope rotor is still good. It's not worn out. The clutch dogs are still working perfectly. So let me show you how I replace just the handle. So what I'm going to do, since the rope is still good, it's not any, it's not frayed or anything like that. So I'm just going to take the rope and I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to tie just a little slip knot right here, so that just like that, just so I can have enough tag end of rope to deal with here. And I'm going to cut this rope off right at the knot. I'm going to cut it off just a couple of inches or maybe an inch past this knot. As you can tell, we got a little bit of frayage right there. Let's go ahead and cut our rope, and then we can remove the old handle. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be replacing it with a universal handle from STIHL. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can get this handle. And so basically what you'll do is just basically feed your rope right up through the new handle, right up through the little metal holder there, and then we're going to tie a figure 8 knot. Just like that. And then we're going to pull that knot flush. And this is going to be right here is where it's going to sit down into the new starter housing, or the new starter handle. So we want to make sure our knot has a good solid base to sit on. Like that, and then you can trim off any of the tag end, but I always just tuck it down in there with the knot. And if you're having a little bit of trouble getting your rope up through this handle, you can always burn the end with a cigarette lighter or a match or just a torch to get the end of that rope from fraying on you. But guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, that's good to go. So all you do is your slip knot, just pull it, and then she is down there on that starter. I like these because it's got a little cup that it actually sits down in on the starter. So this universal handle works great. And it is a good replacement for the factory original STIHL one.